Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this particular 50-inch Samsung LED TV. In this TV the complaint is sound on no picture problem along with backlight. See, you can notice that while tapping on the display the white light flashing. So here in this TV this indicates a clear blank screen fault. Here we already opened the TV back cover. See friends, it's a Samsung panel is used in this TV with TCON board. As we discussed earlier, due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel, the panel DC-DC IC goes to protection mode, and that's the reason for causing no display fault in this TV, because TCON board doesn't generate any basic panel voltages like VGH, VGL etc. So here you can see two FFC cables representing both left side and right side of the glass panel. We repair this panel by implementing taping method for removing gate signals shorting either from the left or right side. It's just a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. So first here we are going to block the left side gate signals using the taping method. These are the gate signal tracks. See friends, now we applied the taping method and successfully blocked left side gate signals. Now let's reconnect the FFC cable back to TCON board and check the display. See friends, now the TV is turned on and the picture comes so that it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.